guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki, and today I'm joining my beautiful friend Mom from MomDas Live Handmade on her monthly Sow Your Stash open collaboration. And this month I want to make something cute for my Christmas tree, so I'm making cute felt gnomes. Yes, we are going to make them out of this felt that I have here. Also, we are going to use some thread and needle and another type of thread, this one. We are going to use pine cones, we are going to use these berries and these wooden beads. Those are the noses, and we're going to use twine, and this is the main ingredient. We are going to need yarn, lots of yarn. Now, let's get started. First, we're going to take our cream felt and we're going to cut a circle. I'm using this lid from a bowl, just like that. Just tracing it and then cut it out of the felt. And that's it. Those will be your faces. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to use all needle and thread, up and down, you know, hand sewing. And we're going to hand sew our felt, those two pieces of felt together all around, but we're going to leave a space so we can add some stuffing to it. Yes, I want to add something to make them plumper. And now we add a little bit of stuffing, and that's five or fail. You just keep on closing that. After you finish, you close your stitches just like that, and that's it. Now we're going to move on to its beard, and for that we're going to use lots of yarn, and you're going to wrap it around your fingers. Then you're going to cut it and cut a little piece, tie it together like when you're making a tassel, just like that. And then you're going to cut the bottom part of your yarn, and that's your beard. It's so cute. Look, the cutest thing ever. Now we're going to glue it to our face using lots of hot glue. And we're going to proceed to make his cute hat. And I'm just looking for the perfect felt to do so. And I'm going to use green felt. That's the one. So we're going to cut it around it. And we're going to make that cute hat. Just like that. Lots of hot glue. Glue it to your head. Not your head, his head. And continue gluing and making that cute cone-shaped kind of hat that they have. You will have to trim some of the felt or fabric that you're using, and you continue gluing, and you're going to leave top space so you can add your twine so you can hang it to your Christmas tree. Now I'm adding my twine and closing the top part of his cute hat. Now I'm going to glue it, and that's it. You just add your glue, and that's it. You have your cute, really cute cone-shaped hat. And now moving on to the decor, we're going to add first his nose, and after that we're going to start embellishing our cute nose. And for that I'm adding this snowflake. We can add some berries, but I'm adding that snowflake. And that's it. He's the cutest thing ever. I'm adding to the top part a pine cone, and that's it. This is how they turned out. As you can see, we have all the embellishments, their cute beards and their cute faces, and this is how they look. Let me give you a closer look. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to Mom's channel. I just want to take this opportunity to thank her for bringing us this awesome collaboration. I love how this turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care, bye-bye.